The current time is 10:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in central Alabama, east central Tuscaloosa County and west central Alabama until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Bull City, or 14 miles west of Hueytown, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hueytown, Fairfield, Homewood, Birmingham, Mountain Brook, Fultondale, Irondale, and Gardendale. This includes Interstate 65 exit numbers 256 through 275, Interstate 459 exit number 27, US 78 exit numbers 85 through 91, Interstate 20 exit numbers 110 through 135, Interstate 59 exit numbers 130 through 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and Tuscaloosa.
The current time is 10:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time.